Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Type C : and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space C : / and hit enter to execute. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C : / and simply hit enter. Type attrib C : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C : / boot / bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.